This is the Dark Iron Fitness leather weightlifting belt, and the brand claims it's the last lifting belt you'll ever need. Big promise, right? Especially when you've probably gone through a couple of cheap belts that cracked, stretched, or just didn't feel right. I've been training with this belt for a while now. Heavy squats, deadlifts, the whole deal. And I found a few things they definitely don't highlight in the marketing. Dark Iron Fitness Leather Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Dark Iron Fitness Leather, a genuine leather lifting belt designed for strength training. Think powerlifting, bodybuilding, CrossFit, and general heavy compound work. Dark Iron Fitness has been around for a while, and they've built a solid reputation in the gym gear space for affordable but serious equipment. This belt has been on the market for several years now, and it's clearly aimed at lifters who want real support without paying top-tier powerlifting prices. The big selling point here is simple: thick, genuine leather construction with a classic single-prong buckle designed to deliver consistent core support during heavy lifts. Dark Iron Fitness Leather Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? This is where the Dark Iron Fitness Belt earns its keep. Right out of the box, it's stiff. And yeah, that might sound like a downside, but in the world of leather weightlifting belts, stiffness equals support. I use this belt for heavy back squats, deadlifts, overhead presses, and even some Olympic lift accessories. Once it's broken in, it creates a really solid surface to brace against. When you take that deep breath and push your core out, the belt doesn't collapse or flex in weird ways. It stays firm, which helps you maintain spinal stability under load. During heavy squat sessions, especially near max sets, I noticed my bracing felt more consistent compared to cheaper nylon belts. On deadlifts, it offered enough rigidity without digging painfully into my ribs. That balance is harder to get than you might think. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter here. First up, genuine leather construction. This isn't synthetic or layered cardboard leather. Real leather means durability over time. It molds to your body, gets more comfortable as you use it, and doesn't stretch out after a few months. For lifters training 3 to 5 days a week, that's huge. Second, the single-prong steel buckle. It's simple, but that's the point. Single-prong buckles are easier to tighten consistently compared to double-prong designs, especially when you're already fatigued between sets. Less fumbling, more lifting. Third, the uniform width design. This belt maintains consistent width around your waist, which means even pressure distribution. In real life, that translates to better bracing mechanics and less discomfort when transitioning between different lifts in the same workout. Design and build. Aesthetically, the Dark Iron Fitness Belt keeps things clean and classic. It's thick, dark leather with reinforced stitching along the edges, and everything feels solid, no loose threads, no flimsy hardware. In the hand, it feels heavy in a good way, like a tool, not a toy. Ergonomically, once broken in, it sits comfortably around the waist without pinching or sliding. The edges soften over time, and the belt starts to contour to your body shape. Pros. Genuine leather that improves with age. Simple, reliable, single-prong buckle. Great value for serious lifters on a budget. Cons. Limited sizing forgiveness. Not IPF competition certified. Final verdict. So who is this actually for, and is it worth the money? Here's the thing. If you're a beginner lifting light weights, this might feel like overkill at first. You could get by with a basic nylon belt while you learn proper bracing. But if you're an intermediate lifter pushing heavier numbers, or someone who's tired of replacing cheap belts every year, the Dark Iron Fitness Leather Belt makes a lot of sense. It delivers the kind of stability and durability that helps you lift with confidence, without charging premium powerlifting brand prices. If you're a competitive powerlifter chasing federation-approved gear, you may want to look elsewhere. But for the vast majority of gym-goers who just want reliable support that lasts, this is an easy recommendation. Simple, tough, and effective, just like a good lifting belt should be.